I'm Rich. Hope you like what you see. If you do, hope you want to subscribe. Today, we're back on another Audi episode. I know, welcome back to the Audi. But what we're going to do, we're going to put some of this on her fog lights. Stay tuned. So, okay, I've already cut them to size. But what I've got to do, I've got to rip this off, give it a good old clean, and actually start the actual work, okay? Cool. Give a little bit of helping hand. Just take the backing paper off. I'll apologise for the background noise, guys, but I've got the council cutting the grass across the road, so not a lot I can do about it, unfortunately. And if I can get this backing paper off, I'll actually crack on and do this. You want your name in flashing lights. You want to chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you want to sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. Luckily, when I actually get to cut this, you guys, I don't actually need to be too neat because the majority of it is going to be covered by the cover. Posing for the camera, check them out by the names. They got the cool brains, followers and fans. Yeah, it seems that they got it made. But the slaves to the superficial, fake friends in politics. Oh, deep down they wish they could escape. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Make sure it's all nice. I think that's probably as nice as we're going to get it. But like I was saying, most of it's actually going to be covered by the cover. So we don't have to be super neat when we're actually cutting it off. But I'm thinking probably about there. Sort out all these bottom bits, and we'll just heat it up, make sure there's going to be no shrinkage. Unfortunately, I have got a few bubbles, but I think we might have to just live with them on this one. That's smashing, so that's one. And we have a blue fog light. Cool. Okay then, slight jump back in time, but let's have a look at our handiwork. So, I'll turn my lights on in a minute. Bring it round. I'll do a video at some point of how I made these grills. Quite simple. Turns out my first time I did it, I used water. Shouldn't have used water with this vinyl. That's not a problem. I'm not going to bore you by getting you to watch me do the other side. So I'm going to end the video here. But thank you for watching. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Share it with your mates. We are out.